Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making Szechuan sauce. This is a Chinese sauce. So for this we required 1 bowl of red chili soaked overnight. Then firstly what we have to do is to grind our soaked red chili. Szechuan sauce is basically garlic and red chili sauce. So let's start making Szechuan sauce. So take a fry pan, add 3 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. Now add ½ inch of grated ginger, saute a bit, then add 10 to 15 cloves of garlic finely chopped and cook till garlic changes color. So now our garlic is cooked, so we will add our chili paste, soaked and grinded chili, red chili. Mix it well and cook till the extra moisture of chili is evaporate and chili is properly cooked and oil separates. So now oil is separated. Now we will add 3 to 4 drops of soya sauce. Mix it well. Add 2 to 3 drops of vinegar. Mix it again. Now add ½ teaspoon of sugar. Mix it again. Add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of black salt. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. And now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of water just to make a saucy consistency and cook till extra moisture is evaporate and your Szechuan sauce is ready to eat. We have used lots of oil which will work as preservative, so you can keep this sauce for long. So whenever you want to make Chinese or Szechuan dish, don't buy Chinese sauce. Make Szechuan sauce at home, so your Szechuan sauce is ready.